Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Naik. Today I need to do some problem of element of mathematics. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. This is element of mathematics. In this chapter, this is exercise number 9C. In this chapter, exercise 9C, it is given that integration of some trigonometric function. You see, for integration of some trigonometric function, some trigonometric formulas are required. I need to write the important formulas. You see, sin c plus d plus sin c minus d is equal to 2 sin c into sin d. Second one is sin c plus d minus sin c minus d is equal to 2 sin 2 cos c into sin d. 2 cos c into sin d. Okay, next cos c plus d plus cos c minus d is equal to 2 cos c into cos d. The last one is cos c plus d minus cos c minus d is equal to minus 2 sin c into sin d. You see, some more formulas are required. The another formula is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. You see here you see sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c plus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Here sin c, here if you keep minus sign, then cos will, you have to write cos first then sin. Okay, that means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, next cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. You remember it. Suppose cos c plus cos t given, that means the entire will come in cos c cos t, that means here also cos, here also cos, you can get. Suppose cos c minus cos t given, cos c minus cos t is equal to, the entire will come by sin 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Here you observe that this is d minus c, not c minus d. Okay, some more formula. You see, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x 2 by 2. Okay, cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. These formulas are required for some trigonometric function. If you integrate some trigonometric function, this formula are required. Okay, apart from this, more formulas are required. Sin 3a, sin 3x. For this formula you remember just 3 4. Okay, this is a trick. 3 4, that means sin 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx. If you need to remember, you remember like this, sin 3x, that means 3 4, you remember 3 4. Okay, here we calculate sin qx. You see, suppose we need to calculate 4 sin qx. 4 sin qx is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Okay, sin qx is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Okay, this is another formula which will help you for some integration of some trigonometric function. You see cos 3x. For cos 3x you have to remember 4 3. Why 4 3? You see cos 3x is equal to 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Okay, so you have to remember 4 and 3. Okay, now you find cos qx. You see 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x is equal to how much? Cos 3x. This is the right side, I have taken into left. This is the left side, I have taken into right. Okay, here you find cos qx. 4 cos qx. 4 cos qx is equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Okay, we need cos qx. Cos qx is equal to cos 3x plus 3 cos x by 4. 3 cos x by 4. Whenever required cos qx, we can use this formula. These are the formula which will help us to do integration of some trigonometric function. Okay, you see here for sin 3x you need to remember 3 4. For cos 3x you need to remember 4 3. Then this is a kind of trick and you can remember easily. Now I will start to solve exercise 9c. Okay, let's start. The first question is given exercise 9c. Okay, exercise 9c, element of mathematics. Elements of mathematics. Okay, exercise 9c, question 1, bit 1. The question is given, find the integration of integrate. The question is integrate the following, given the following. The question is sin 4x cos 3x. Sin 4x cos 3x dx. Okay, you see the first question, integrate the following. Exercise 9c, element of mathematics. Integrate the following. Integration of 4x into cos 3x dx. You know the formula. 2 sin x into cos x is equal to sin 2 sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, here you multiply 2 and divide 2. 2 sin 4x cos 3x dx. You see this is in the form of 2 sin a into cos b. So I can write sin a plus b, sin a minus b. Here a is equal to 4x, b is equal to 3x. That is half integration of, you see this is sin 4x plus 3x. Okay, I can write initially 4x plus 3x plus sin 4x minus 3x dx. Okay, is equal to half integration of sin 7x plus, you see 4x minus 3x sin x dx is equal to half sin 7x, integration of sin 7x, that is cos 7x minus cos 7x by 7 plus integration of sin x minus cos x plus c is equal to 1 by 2. You write here, you see here minus, that is minus half cos 7x by 7 minus plus cos x plus c. This is your answer. Here you see, if you multiply, this is the formula, if you multiply minus half with this and with this, you can get minus half minus 14 cos 7x minus half cos x plus c. You see the next question, integration of cos 5x into cos 2x dx given. Integration of cos 5x into cos 2x dx given. Here you see, if you multiply 2 and divide 2, cos 5x, okay, into cos 2x dx. You know the formula, 2 cos x, 2 cos a into cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Okay, so here you can get half. This is equal to cos 5x plus 2x plus cos 5x minus 2x dx. Okay, here integration you give here. This is integration of cos 7x plus 5x minus 2x, that is cos 3x dx. Okay, is equal to half integration of cos 7x, that is sin 7x by 7, sin 7x by 7 plus integration of cos 3x, that is sin 3x by 3 plus c. If you multiply with 2, you can get 1 by 14 sin 7x plus 1 by 6 sin 3x plus c. You see the next question, integration of sin x into cos 4x dx. Okay, integration of sin x cos 4x dx given. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. This is 2 sin x into cos 4x dx. Okay, you know 2 sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, here you see half, this is integration of sin a plus b x plus 4x, okay, plus sin a minus b x minus 4x dx. Okay, is equal to half, this is integration of sin 5x plus x minus 4x. You see sin x minus 4x is equal to sin minus 3x. Okay, you know the formula, sin minus x is equal to minus sin x. This is the formula. Okay, so here sin minus 3x equal to minus sin 3x minus sin 3x. So you write here minus sin 3x dx. Okay, now you integrate, is equal to half integration of sin 5x is equal to how much, minus cos 5x by 5 minus integration of sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3, okay, plus c. So how much you get here is equal to half into minus cos 5x by 5 minus this minus plus, okay, cos 3x by 3 plus c, that is minus 1 by 10 cos 5x plus 1 by 6 cos 3x plus c. You see the next question, number 4, integration of sin 6x sin 3x sin 6x sin 3x dx. Okay, you multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Half 2 sin 6x into sin 3x dx. You know 2 sin a into sin b is equal to, you see, minus 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos c plus d minus uh, uh, plus cos d minus c, d minus c, here minus cos c plus d minus cos d minus c is equal to minus 2 sin a into sin b. Here we need 2 sin a into sin b is equal to I can write it first, cos d minus c minus cos c plus d. Okay, so here you write half integration of, you see, cos d minus c, that is cos d, this is 3x minus c, that is 6x, okay, minus cos c plus d 6x plus 3x dx, okay, is equal to half integration of, this is, you see, cos 3x minus 6x, that is cos minus 3x minus cos 9x 6x plus 3x 9x dx, okay, is equal to half, you see, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos 3x, cos minus 3x, this is minus 3x, okay, this is minus 3x, cos minus 3x is equal to cos 3x minus cos 9x dx, okay, integration of is equal to half integration of cos 3x is equal to sin 3x by 3 integration of cos 9x sin 9x by 9 plus c is equal to 1 by 6 sin 3x minus 1 by 18 sin 9x plus c. You see the next question, number 5. The question is given integration of cos 4x cos 5x sin 2x dx. You see, integration of cos 4x cos 5x sin 2x dx. These two you take together, then you take this, otherwise these two you take together, then you take this, okay, whatever may be. You see, suppose these two you take together, at first you take together, then you take it, is equal to, you see, 2 into, okay, cos 4x, here you write 2 into, not half into cos 4x, here you write 2 cos 5x into sin 2x dx, okay, you know the formula, 2 cos a into sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin A minus B. This is the formula, you remember. You recall the formula. 2 cos A into sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Here you apply this half integration of cos 4x. Here you see how much this is equal to. Okay, this is equal to how much? Sin A plus B, that is 5x plus 2x. 5x plus 2x, directly I can write 7x. Okay, plus sin A minus B, not plus, minus sin A minus 5x minus 2x, that is 3x dx. Now you separate it. One, you can get two parts. Half of integration of cos 4x sin 7x, again half of integration of cos 4x sin 3x dx. Okay, now you separately integrate it and separately integrate it, then add these two. Here you see cos A into sin B, the same formula. You multiply with 2 and divide with 2. You can get 1 by 4, 2 cos 4x into sin 7x. Okay, here also you multiply with 2 and divide with 2. You can get 2 cos 4x into sin 3x dx. Okay, here you see A plus B, sin A plus B, this is equal to 1 by 4 integration of sin A plus B, 4x plus 7x, that is 11x. Okay, minus 4x minus 7x. You see sin 4x minus 7x is equal to how much? Sin minus 3x. Understood? Sin minus 3x equal to minus sin 3x. You note it. Okay, minus sin 3x. Here I can write, here minus is already given, here also again minus, minus and this minus, this is equal to plus. Okay, sin 3x. You check it here, sin 3x, here dx, here you write dx, dx, dx you write dx. Okay, minus 1 by 4. Here also you can get integration of, you see, sin 4x plus 3x, 7x. Okay, then A plus B, A minus B, that is 4x minus 3x, how much? X, that is minus sin x, minus sin x dx. Okay, now here you, how much? 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 integration of sin 11x, that is minus cos 11x by 11, plus integration of sin 3x, that is minus cos 3x by 3. Okay, plus, not plus, minus given, minus. Okay, 1 by 4 integration of sin 7x minus cos 7x, minus cos 7x by 7. Okay, minus integration of sin x minus cos x plus c is equal to, you how much you can get? 1 by 44 minus 1 by 44 cos 11x minus 1 by 12 cos 3x minus minus plus. Okay, plus, you write here plus 1 by 28 cos 7x, here minus plus, plus minus cos x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see question number 6. In your question number 6, it is given that sin 3x, integration of sin 3x by 4, okay, cos x by 2 dx, sin 3x by 4 cos x by 2. You know the formula, 2 sin a into cos b, that is sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Okay, you can use this formula. In every problem I am writing the formula for your reference. Okay, you multiply 2 and divide 2. 2 sin 3x by 4 into cos x by 2 dx is equal to 1 by 2. Here you get how much? Sin a plus b, that is sin 3x by 4 plus x by 2 plus sin a minus b, that is 3x by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Okay, is equal to half. You see 3x by 4 plus x by 2, you see LCM is equal to how much? 4, that is 3x plus here you see 2x. You can get, if you add to these two, you can get 2x, that is 5x by 4. Okay, so here you write sin 5x by 4, okay, plus you see sin 3x by 4 minus x by 2. LCM is equal to 4, so this is 3x, this is minus 2x, is equal to 3x minus 2x, x by 4. Here you write x by 4 dx. Okay, is equal to half sin 5x by 4. You see sin 5x by 4 means integration of sin 5x by 4 is equal to cos 5x by 4 and divide 5 by 4. Okay, here sin x by 4 integration is equal to minus cos x by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c is equal to how much? You see half, this is 4 by 5 minus 4 by 5 cos 5x by 4. Okay, this is minus 4 cos x by 4 plus c is equal to, you see, is equal to, you see, you can get minus 2 by 5 cos 5x by 4. If you multiply with half, then you can get minus 2 cos x by 4 plus c. Now you see next question. You see the next question, that is question number 7, number 1 and bit 7. The question is given integration of cos 2x, integration of cos 2x into cos x by 2, cos x by 2 dx, integration of cos 2x into cos x by 2 dx. Here you know 2 cos a into cos b is equal to, you see, 2 cos a into cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Okay, this is the formula you have to use. Here you multiply 2 and divide 2 is equal to half cos 2x into cos x by 2 dx. Okay, is equal to half, this is equal to how much? You write integration of, you see, cos a plus b, that is 2x plus x by 2, okay, plus cos a minus b, 2x minus x by 2 dx, okay, is equal to half. You see, integration of cos 2x plus 2, that is 5x 4x plus x cos 5x by 2, okay, plus cos, you see, 4x minus x 3x by 2 cos 3x by 2 dx, okay, is equal to how much? You see, half integration of, or not directly you integrate, cos 5x by 2, that is sin 5x by 2 by sin 5x by 2 by 5 by 2 plus sin 3x by 2 sin 3x by 2 by 3 by 2, okay, is equal to how much? Is equal to how much? Is equal to half 2 by 5 sin 5x by 2 plus 2 by 3 sin 3x by 2 plus c is equal to, multiply with 2, you can get 1 by 5 sin 5x by 2 plus 1 by 3 sin 3x by 2 plus c. You see the next question. Integration of sin x by 2, this is your 8th number, okay, 8th number, sin x by 2, integration of sin x by 2 into sin x by 3, sin x by 3 into cos x by 4 dx, okay, you know the formula, 2 sin a into cos b is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. You have to use this formula here, okay, these two you take together, okay, you multiply with 2 and divide with 2, sin x by 2 into 2 sin x by 3 into cos x by 4 dx, okay, is equal to half integration of sin x by 2 into this 2 sin x by 3 into cos x by 4 is equal to sin a plus b, that is sin a plus b x by 3 plus x by 4 plus sin a minus b, that is x by 3 minus x by 4 dx, okay, is equal to half integration of sin x by 2 into, okay, x by 3 plus x by 4, how much? LCM is equal to 12, okay, this is 4x plus 3x, okay, 3 if you divide 3 you can get 4, that is 4x and 3x, that is 7x by 12. So I can write here sin 7x by 12, here bracket require, okay, sorry for that, 7x by 12 plus sin, you see here minus, and this is 4x minus 3x, x by 12, okay, x by 12 dx is equal to half, multiply and separate it, half sin x by 2 into sin 7x by 12, 7x by 12, here put integration dx plus half integration of sin x by 2 into sin x by 12 dx. Okay, now you see you have to use another formula. What is the formula? 2 sin a into sin b is equal to, you know that minus 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Okay, minus 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Here we not need minus, here we need plus. 2 sin a into sin b is equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. In the given formula I have used CD, here I have used AB, so don't worry for that. Okay, this formula have to use here. That is you multiply with 2 and divide with 2 is equal to integration of 2 sin x by 2 into sin 7x by 12 dx plus multiply 2 divide with 2, that means you can get 4 here. Okay, here also you can get 4. 2 sin x by 2 into sin x by 12 dx. Here you use cos a minus b is equal to 1 by 4 cos a minus b x by 2 minus 7x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus 7x by 2 by 12, not 2. Okay, sorry, this is one portion. The second one is here you write plus 1 by 4, here also cos x by 2 plus x by 12, not x by 12, minus, here you write x by 2 minus x by 12 minus cos x by 2 plus x by 12 dx. Here integration, here also integration dx is equal to 1 by 4. You see x by 2 minus 7x by x by 2 minus 7x by 12, LCM is equal to 12. You can get how much? 6x minus 7x is equal to minus x by 12. Cos minus x by 12 is equal to cos x by 12. Why? Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So cos x by 12 directly write cos x by 12. Okay, integration. Here x by 2 plus 7x by 12. Here you see this is 6x, this is 7x, 6x and 7x, 13x by 12. Here you write minus cos 13x by 12 dx. Here you put integration. Okay, plus here you see 1 by 4 integration of x by 2 minus x by 12. How much? LCM is equal to 12. This is 6x minus x, 6x minus x, that is 5x by 12. Here you write 5x by 12 cos 5x by 12 minus, here you see x by 2 plus x by 12, LCM is equal to 12. This is 6x plus x, 7x by 12, 7x by 12 cos 7x by 12 dx. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Now you see is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 cos x by 12, integration of cos x by 12, that is sin x by 12 by 1 by 12. Okay, here cos 13x by 12 sin 13x by 12 by 13 by 12. Okay, again plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4 you write down here, plus 1 by 4 cos 5x by 12, that is sin 5x by 12 by 5 by 12, minus cos 7x by 12 sin 7x by 12, 7x by 12 by 7 by 12. Okay, plus c, right, plus c is equal to 1 by 4 12 sin x by 12 minus 1 by 4 12 by 13 sin 13x by 12. Okay, plus 1 by 4 12 by 5 sin 5x by 12 minus 1 by 4 12 by 7 sin 7x by 12 plus c. Here you see this is 3 sin x by 12 minus, you see 4 1 ja 4 3 ja 3 by 13 sin 13x by 12. Here you see 4 1 ja 4 3 ja, that is plus 3 by 5 sin 5x by 12 minus 3 by 7 sin 7x by 12 plus c. This is your answer. Pause the video, note it down. This is your question number 1 completed.